I'm Zach McKay. I'm the Key Accounts Manager here at Motion Control Products.
And I'm Tony Robinson, a Technical Support Engineer.
And today we're going to be speaking about typical applications for the Harmonic Actuator range. Before we go further into the video today, if you want to know a bit more in-depth information about the Harmonic Actuator range itself, have a look at our previous video, which is on our website and our YouTube channel. Let's get started, run through the applications of the Harmonic Actuator range.
Okay, well, this is the Harmonic Actuator.
Yep.
Quick overview. It is a straight wave gearbox with a brushless servo motor and an absolute encoder fitted to it. Self-contained unit.
Compact unit, isn't it?
Compact unit, very compact. Main benefit is very high torque output, moderate speed, and high precision control. Okay. So it lends itself to applications where you need speeds of sub 300 RPM. Okay. But with a very, very high torque output.
High torque, yeah. High accuracy.
High accuracy, yeah.
I assume, yeah.
So basically, these motors were originally created to be used in robot arms.
Collaborative robots and that
sort
of stuff.
60OF robots, anything like that.
Okay.
The standard kind of welding robot you'd see on a production line, that type of thing, is where it kind of came from. Okay. But they're now trying to diversify into other areas, so you'll see them in other types of application. And this is what we're going to talk about today. Okay. So, as I said, this is going to be used in a wrist or a waist or an elbow movement of a robot arm. Reasoning being that you've got a completely self-contained unit. Okay, you've got no external mechanics, no external positioning requirements, limit switches, datum switches, feedback devices. Everything is self-contained in one unit. That means it can be bolted into a frame or an application very quickly and allow you very high-low control and positioning with very little external requirement. Okay. So we can start off with positioning systems. So you'll find these in pan and tilt platforms, such as camera control systems, infrared, microwave, antenna systems, satellite tracking, a telescope, azimuth tracking systems. They will all benefit from this type of product. Okay, you'll find them in industrial applications for robot arms. You'll find them in medical robot systems for scanning systems or dental guidance systems. You'll find them in remote operating vehicles because of the fact they are very, very small and compact.
And quite light too, to be fair.
They are light.
Yeah.
They lend themselves to remote operating vehicles because obviously they're not adding weight to the system, which means you need more power, more batteries to run it.
And some ROVs, out in the field, obviously are going to need a bit of human interaction too, so they need to be lifted,
if they need
carried out into the field and everything like that.
If they need to be remotely carried, then obviously, and you're packing them, then this device is ideal for that type of application.
You're going to need the higher torques too anyway, but like weight is key. Of course,
weight is key
for that type of application.
It is. Anyway. If it's backpack carried, then you're going to need it, especially if you're producing something like a satellite tracking system where you've got to carry it in a rucksack, and then you've got to set it up, and it's got to function very, very precisely. This is the ideal product for that type of application. Other areas that you might find in our test equipment, such as positioning lasers or laser interferometry positioning, anything like that, you'll find it. There are only some of the applications you'll find this in. There are numerous others. I'm sure that we haven't even thought we would scratch the surface on the applications
and more popping up anyway.
Used on. But it just gives you a flavour of where it could be used. If you want more details on the product or you want to discuss any applications, feel free to contact us. Our details are below. I hope you found it beneficial. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.